Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to see your video history on Facebook. Now, the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Facebook application on your device. And then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. And then click on see your profile. Okay, so right after that, you'll just have to click on this three dots at the right corner of your screen. Okay, and then click on activity log. So right after that, as you can see, there's options at the top corner. So you'll just have to swipe that to your right until you see the videos watch option. Okay, now you'll be able to see the videos that you have watched in the past few days or recently. And also you can watch the videos that you have searched. But since we did not use this account to search for any video, so we don't have that. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.